I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today we're going to do a burger challenge. We're going to find out what makes the better burger, Wagyu beef or prime brisket. I'm going to compare a store-bought Wagyu ground beef that's 80% lean, that came from my local butcher shop, with a brisket that I'm going to trim and prepare. Let's get cooking. To make this fair, I need to make my brisket burgers have the same fat content as the Wagyu beef burgers. So I'm going to trim the brisket, remove as much fat as I can, and then add back enough fat so that I'm back to the 20% fat ratio that's in the Wagyu burgers. My burger patties are ready, Wagyu's on the left, brisket on the right, and today I'm cooking with Rockwood lump charcoal. I like using this charcoal for steaks and burgers. Time to fire up the grill. Both patties are on, they're looking good. Wagyu on the left, brisket's on the right. And I'm just going to season them with a little bit of sea salt, and we're ready to cook. So, time to flip these burgers and get ready to add cheese. Wagyu looks pretty good. Oh, but look what happened. The brisket burger fell apart. 3 big pieces. That is a fail. Wow. So, what happened? I had the wrong grinder plate attached to my grinder. I was using the 4.5 millimeter, which gave me super fine beef, and that's not good to hold a burger together. That means the other 4 pounds of ground prime brisket, well, that's now taco meat. Time to start over. So I've got brand new burgers back on the grill. Let's see if this round works any better. Okay, so far so good on the Wagyu. And the brisket worked. Much, much better. Let's add cheese. All right, time to get these plated and find out which one's the winner. So I finally got 2 burgers that's actually stayed together. Let's find out if a prime beef brisket can hold up to Wagyu in the burger challenge. And remember, all that's on this is sea salt and cheese. So first the brisket. Flavorful, rich, I like it. Now let's try the Wagyu. Hands down, it's the Wagyu. The flavor is just so much more intense. The brisket is good, no mistake, but the Wagyu just has such a great mouthfeel to it, and it's just so beefy, and it's actually a little juicier, and it's probably because it's Wagyu. That is a clear winner. That's fantastic. So there you have it. Wagyu beats a prime brisket for a burger. Imagine that. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.